going, Mom? Hi everybody, my name is Serenity and this is my 1995 Dodge Ram van Pearl. And this, let me start over.
Welcome to Serenity's World.
Well, we're not doing that.
Yes, we are. Go.
Yeah, hi everybody. My name is Serenity and this is my 1995 Dodge Ram van Pearl. And I'm going to give you guys a little van tour. This is the front of the van. We didn't do much to it. This is actually from Dollar Tree, this little cover right here. I need to get a new one. And actually this has been personalized for me because we have our sink back here. And so this chair doesn't move back at all. It actually just stays in this position. So if someone were to try to steal my van, they'd have to be really short. What we call. Okay, so this is what we call the garage. So I have tons of space back here. It goes all the way to the edge of the bed in the front. And this is where I store my chairs. I have a tent back here just in case I decide to do some land camping. And I also have a bunch of storage. And I have my solar panels for my generator. So I'm able to store a lot of stuff back here. I also have these right here, which if you saw my build video, these are the reflective covers that I use to make it seem more stealth so that no one can see into the van if I'm back here. And yeah, this one doesn't have it, but yeah, these are really simple and easy to use. So if you want to watch that video, I'll link it below. Okay, so here comes the fun part. So right here is one of my favorite things. My stepdad made this for me. He of course helped me with the entire van and I'm so thankful. Oh, well, I actually really helped him. I didn't as much. But right here, this is the little desk. So I can use this when there's not really a campground nearby. So I can just set this up here, use my computer, eat food here while still having an outside view. We actually make this from an old dinner table. So it's really awesome. I love it. And actually, I put some chalkboard paint on this. And so I'm able to write little notes. And today it says, today is the best day ever. Which it always is when we're traveling with Pearl. Alright, so inside the van, we have this little mat here, Hello Sunshine, which matches the whole aesthetic of the place. I love sunflowers, so there's sunflowers everywhere. We have this little curtain right here, which divides the front from the back. And then right here we have the little foot pump sink. So I just lift the curtain and you can just press this right here and water comes out. So I have a gray water tank and a good water tank. And over here I have just my little portable desk. So if I don't feel like going outside and I want to do some work in here, I just set this right down and do some work. And over here I have my little my kitchen area. So I have a propane tank, I have a mini air fryer, and I also have my cooler and a little storage place as well, which is really helpful. Right here I just have more storage. Actually got this from a thrift store where I just keep books and other little knickknacks that I like. And of course I have more and more sunflowers, and I also use this as a bookshelf sometimes, and this is my dad's book. You guys should check it out. I have a TV up here, but it only works when the motor is running. I haven't been able to figure out how to make it work without the carving on, so it's pretty much for decoration, but it's pretty cute. And right here, whoops, I have more storage, so I can keep lots of stuff in here as well. So I have paper towels, I keep toiletries, and little stuff like that. And this also keeps up my sunflowers as well. Okay, I'll mess with that later.
What's your door made of?
So this right here, this is my mom's doing. She's also our camera lady. She's amazing. This was her idea to put this little window shutter right here. So it's really simple. All you do is pull it up and it's really cute. One day I'm gonna upgrade to a drawer so that it's not, so that if I need to get something I can get to it quicker. But this was just a quick solution for us and it was really awesome, and I just love how unique it is. So thanks, Mom. Right here I have a weighted blanket, which really helps when it's cold outside because the weight just makes you feel really cozy and warm. And I also have more storage up here. And my generator's inside, but I'll link which one I use. I use the Jackery generator. It costs about $2.50, and I'm able to have my fan right here, which is amazing. I'll also link which fan this is because it's small, but it's super powerful. and I just keep it plugged up to the Jackery all night, and it also holds charge on its own, and then I can just have air circulating all night. So some people have the circulating fans. I don't have that, and I haven't really needed it, and I've been in different temperatures, so I found that I could be really comfortable wherever I am. And I don't know if you noticed, but I also have these hardwood floors. Well, fake hardwood, but I love